When it comes to sales, we've always been told that the goal is getting to yes. Yes means progress. Yes means you're winning, right? Well, what if I told you that yes might actually be killing your chances of making a deal? The truth is, no is something that shouldn't be feared in sales. It's not where the deal ends, it's actually where the deal begins. Today's customer, they don't want to be closed, they want to be in control. And the moment we start to push for yes, that can trigger some resistance. However, when you give someone permission to say no, that freedom to say no, something amazing happens. They begin to relax. They start to engage, and the next thing you know, a real conversation unfolds. During my session, I'm going to show you how to stop using these tie-down leading questions and instead use no-directed questions. Questions that build trust, lower pressure, and keep that sale moving forward. We're going to take a look at some real-life dealership examples and flip those outdated word tracks and practice questions that give the customers a feeling of autonomy, control, which is exactly what they want. Now, this isn't based on some theory. It's proven communication techniques used by world-class negotiators adapted for the showroom floor. So if you want your sales team to connect faster, to be able to build deeper relationships and close without creating that tension, you're not going to want to miss this session.